Okay guys, welcome back. In this course we are going to learn about the pausing of the avatar. So to pause the avatar, we're going to go to the resource library and we're going to go to avatar and we're going to go to female, and then female you're going to find the pause. There are so many different poses here that you can work with, right? And before you pause it, make sure it's in simulation mode. And let's say we want to add let's say we want her to sit down, right? Let's do something daring. So you see, it's simulating for her to sit down the way we would like for her to sit down. Okay guys, and our avatar has sat down. Remember, you have so many other poses. I'm using this pose because I want to show you guys how you can use the fixed spin. So when we go back here, you can see so many different poses. For example, if you're working on something and the hands are in the way, you can always use the T pose. If you are if you want to present just the look and you don't want an animation, there's so many different poses. And you can also go here to the open library and get as many poses as you would like. So there are endless possibilities. So now that we are done with the seating, we've seen the seating, it's time to see, like, let's see what we can bring in, right? Like we can bring in a scene, right? We can bring in, I would like to, there is one with a chair. Yeah, here is one with a chair. Or you can bring in other props too, right? I think I'm going to just add I will add something with a chair so that you see. For example, I'll add this and you say add, don't say open. So this is what came. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this chair and I'm going to so I'm going to get the whole scene and I'm going to put it where the avatar is. And let's see. So you see that it's not realistic. Okay, you know what, let me delete the scene and bring something more realistic. I want like a platform. This is what I want. I want a platform like this. So when you want to adjust this is how you do it. So I want her to be sitting on this, and so it becomes a hassle. You have to Yeah, so let me make it wider. Here, let's make it wider. You know what, I'm just going to actually rotate it. So, whoa. That is so huge. So I'm going to rotate this. Yep, and I'm putting it down. And I yeah, so let's put it down. This is more realistic, so ignore the fact that this thing is going beyond the floor. Like, just ignore that, okay? Right now I just want to show you how you can fix this, that the fabric is under. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to fix pin. Here it will help you pull the fabric out, right? Once you do that, you can direct the fabric to where it needs to be, right? You see, so because you are trying to make everything come like to the front, so you see there is a lot of fabric that is underneath here, right? So I'm trying to pull it out. You see? Right. Especially here. Like, I'm trying to have it be realistic. You see, it's still hidden inside, so it's a task to pull it out, select a few particles and then pull it out. So this is how you can fix stuff using this fix tool. So now you see it looks a little bit more realistic than it was before. So now once you finish doing all of that, ignore all of this. These are lights, this is lighting, just ignore all of this. So once you're done doing this, we are going to go back to fix pin, and I'm going to say delete all. You can also say delete all pins, and you see now it's starting to fall on top, and because we've directed it that way. So that is how you can use props to, also the fixed pin, right? This is how you can use the fixed pin to help you. And yeah, you have it. There you have it, guys. And I'm going to be taking it all the way back to the animation, and I hope you've learned something. So this was me teaching. You see here, if we had more time, we'd be able to pull it out. So you have to do the same and make sure that the avatar, the outfit, is looking as realistic as possible. So always make sure it's not being hidden within there. Make sure we can see everything, okay? And yeah, so that's it for this class. See you in the next class.